Hi. Subscribe Kara Yummy to Dummy. And no awesome recipes. Mummy makes yummy, yummy to tummy. To make yummy mango cake, we need mango, all-purpose flour, sugar, oil, powdered sugar, baking powder, milk, and salt. First of all, blend mango to smooth puree. Transfer sugar and mango pulp to pan. Heat the mixture until it gets thicker and transparent. It will take 5 minutes to reach that state. Add pinch of salt. It will enhance the taste of mango glaze. Now, add half tablespoon of cardamom powder. Mango glaze is ready.
Wow!
Now, sieve powdered sugar. Add oil and milk to this and mix well. Mix everything well until sugar dissolves. Sieve all-purpose flour in the mixture. Add baking powder at this stage. Mix in one direction. At this stage, add 4 spoons of mango glaze we made earlier. Grease the tins with butter or oil. Pour the cake batter into the pan. Tap the molds little bit. I have preheated pressure cooker without whistle for 10 minutes. If you don't have stand, then use any dish at the bottom and place the tin. Important tips to note down. Make sure there is no water inside the cooker. Cake tin should not be touched to bottom of the cooker. Secure the lid firmly and tightly. Bake the cake on low flame for 30 to 35 minutes. Check if cake is baked well by pricking in the middle of the cake. Look at this beautiful texture and color.
Wow!
Decorate with mango glaze we made earlier, or of your choice. How do you like the video? Please let's know in the comments. Please like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thanks for watching.